welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we got a very special recipe, something that's very healthy. We are making ginger carrot rice. Yes, I said it right. We are making a ginger carrot rice, which is super healthy for you and it's delicious. Not only is ginger anti-inflammatory, it's good for cholesterol, it's good for digestion, but guess what? Carrots are good for your eyes. And we're going to be adding some turmeric in this rice, which is another great herb, an organic herb that is also anti-inflammatory and great for digestion. I'm sorry, I'm losing it, guys. So let's jump right into these ingredients for this ginger carrot rice. So you're gonna need rice. We're making 2 cups of rice, which means it's gonna be a 1-to-2 ratio of water. So you're gonna need 4 cups of water. You're gonna need salt, black pepper. We got some grated carrots. You got some chopped up garlic, some ginger, some diced onions. Here's our turmeric, and you need some olive oil. That's all you need, guys. So we're about to jump right in and start cooking.
Let's diving right into making this amazing. What, honey? That's your cue. That is your cue.
You should know. You paying attention?
I'm paying attention, but I'm doing ingredients now.
Oh,
So
I'll tell her.
we are making this delicious.
Go
ahead.
Tell them.
Tell them what we're making. Come on, my oil's getting hot.
Tell them.
Stop playing. My oil's getting hot.
Oh, I'm not playing. Tell them.
Rice.
Rice?
Carrot rice.
We-
Alright, guys, so we're jumping right into this. We're going to fry
Ginger carrot rice.
I know.
With
but
a
that was your
with a
theme.
splash of turmeric.
And love. Alright, guys. So, look, my oil getting too hot. I put some olive oil in there, about a tablespoon. We have our delicious chopped up onions, and we're going to fry these just a little brown, okay? Alright, these onions are about brown. So we're going to take now our ginger. I love how ginger smells. It's so amazing. I love putting it in all our foods too. It's just so good. We're going to put this in here and fry this up a little bit too. And just let it dry up a little bit and brown. Just a little bit. So heavenly. I cannot. Oh my God, I wish I could smell this. All right. This ginger is about dried up, a little brown. We're going to take this garlic. Oh, it smells good too. And garlic browns really fast, guys, so pay attention to it. We're going to just 1, 2, 3 brown this really quick. So we have all of these 3 ingredients in here. Nice smelling, a fine brown. So we're going to take our carrots. Look how amazing this looks. We have a pepper in here, a nice fat one. We're going to put it to the side just for a second. We're going to throw these carrots in here. And we're just gonna cook it enough till it's nice and soft, guys. That's all. That we up to seasoning. We're gonna take a little bit of salt, We don't want no high cholesterol. Boom, that's it.
You know that.
Some black pepper.
Oh, you know we like everything hot. Keep keep going. Yeah, buddy.
All right, that's it. All right, we have our turmeric.
Ooh, what? Ooh, turmeric. You know what? You know what that's good for, guys. Make sure y'all get that organic turmeric. I'm gonna drop a picture of the turmeric we got. It's organic. We got it from Amazon. But yo, it's loaded with so much health benefits. One of our good friends, Dave O, recommended it.
Oh yes. With all these ingredients, guys, it's smelling amazing. So I'm just gonna mix this here just for a little bit.
Yo, did you guys know turmeric is good for high blood pressure?
It is. It really is.
Yeah.
Now it's time for our 2 cups of rice. And remember, Chef Trini told you for every 1 cup of rice, you add 2 cups of water, all right? So we have our water here, and we have our rice. But we're going to add our rice first because we want this rice to fry up a little bit with all this amazing ingredients.
Guys, make sure you wash your rice.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Absolutely.
Oh, we coming in. We coming in. Yeah, we coming.
Wait. Let me just mix a little bit more. Oh my goodness. All right, come.
We're coming in slow then. I'm coming in hot.
Oh my god.
Coming in hot.
Wow.
Ooh, that looks amazing.
Wow, look at this.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Guys, garlic. No, I'm saying garlic. Ginger turmeric rice.
You messing with the title? You messing it up?
Oh, no, we'll figure out the title later.
All right. So I'm gonna let this fry up just for a little bit, so all the spices and those vegetables just absorb in that rice. And I'm gonna add some water, but let me just do this first.
All right, we here waiting. We watching you.
All right. Look at this. Now 1 ounce is a white grain. Beautiful. I love it. Now look at this water.
4 cups of water.
4 cups of water, guys. You hear that sizzle?
Yeah, we do.
Yes. I'm gonna mix this all together and then I'm gonna let it boil. Guys, it is boiling and it looks and smells amazing. All right, so before it boils down too much, I'm gonna just give it a little stir right here really quick, just a little bit. All right, and I'm going to, this is optional, okay? If you like your food hot and spicy like us, I'm gonna throw in a fat pepper, all right?
Don't let it pop.
Don't let it pop. That's why we're gonna put it in now as it's boiling. If you put it in too soon, it will pop and then you'll be sorry. All right, so we're gonna throw this bad boy in there like that. Pop!
No.
That's it.
No, not pop.
Lower.
Nope, not pop.
Boop.
No, we don't.
Boop.
We don't
We're
want.
gonna poop.
We don't want no pop.
But I threw it in there. No pop. Boop. Pop it in there. Now,
Okay.
just throw it in there.
All right.
Just throw it in there.
Just put it. Place
You don't
it in
like to worry
there.
about- place it in there.
I don't like poop, pop, none of that.
I'm gonna cover it, but before I do, I'm gonna lower this flame. Why? Because we don't want it to dry out, stick, burn, and not cook properly. All right. So we're gonna cover this bad boy. I'm gonna cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Chefs and chef bets, guys, our ginger carrot rice is done. I hope you like this video. I hope you hit that like button. Hope you comment and subscribe. Dab. Guys, so after we told you the rice started boiling, it cooked for about 15 minutes. And halfway through that, we took our hot habanero pepper out because we didn't want it to pop in there. So come close so we can show you our finished product. Guys, look at
Oh my
that.
God.
Guys, look at that rice. It looks so amazing.
Wow. Oh, I just see your hand.
Oh, I'm sorry. You see the rice?
See the rice. I see the carrots. Ooh.
All right, so we're gonna take this rice out. We're gonna plate it, and we're gonna eat. That's it, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And
We are out.